Good morning, everyone. Virgo Triad here. It is March 5th, 2019, and as promised, I wanted to get you guys an update on the Winston Shrout information that has gone into PACER as of March 1st, 2019 from the Court of Appeals. Okay, so the picture that you're looking at, of course, is Winston Shrout. There's many of you that have been following this story. There's been an updated entry into the PACER and court listener database with regards to the Court of Appeals that both Winston and his attorney filed a motion in order to allow Winston, or a request for the Court of Appeals to allow Winston to remain free while the Court of Appeals actually took a look at his case to see if they were going to accept it in order to appeal it, possibly appeal it, to get him out of trouble. There is documentation that will be in the description of this video so that you guys can take a look at this yourself. As you can see, this is the Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, United States versus Winston Shrout. This is what I have been taking a look at on and off, and people have been attempting to help keep me updated on this. Also, I want to thank those of you who have done that. You'll see that there's a filing number 20 from March 1st, 2019. And this was filed in order for the Court of Appeals in order to make a determination based upon what the district court sent over, making a statement that Winston is actually not someone that you want running around simply because he has been out now since 2015 when they indicted him, has not served 1 day in prison as of yet. And while he was out, even after a final decision had been made on his sentencing, he was running around trying to scam people by selling them packages and running his scam website and YouTube videos. So as a result, of course, it came back that the Court of Appeals is going to deny him. As you see, it says denied. He's going to be denied the capability of being able to run around free for any longer. He is required to turn himself in, or was rather required to turn himself in as of yesterday. Now, the interesting thing is that taking a look over here at the Bureau of Prisons website, it still shows the same thing that it's been showing since he got his register number from the Bureau of Prisons. It shows that he's in the system, but it shows that he is not in custody. Now, I got confused and concerned about that, so what I did was I made a phone call to the main Washington, D.C. Bureau of Prisons, and I asked them how often it is that their actual website is updated with regards to someone who's been out on bail that has been told that they do have to surrender themselves. And I was told that it could be up to a 7-day period before this is updated. Now, unfortunately, because I called the main D.C. office where tech support is, I was not able to get information with regards to Winston himself. And I did not hang on the line in order to get transferred over to the department that could help me. I trust that in the event that he did not turn himself in yesterday, as he was instructed and the court has told him he must do, that he will then be considered a fugitive of justice, which will bring on a whole new set of issues for him. So, in the hopes that he did turn himself in, as the court has directed for him to do, and as you guys can actually take a look at and see here in this particular order that was sent out and filed by the Court of Appeals, you can go ahead and read it for yourself. Let's hope that he did turn himself in. If he didn't, I will find out soon enough, as I have an email coming to me anytime there's an update on this stuff, and I will let you guys know. But as of right now, I'm going to assume that he probably has, and that the actual Bureau of Prisons just simply has not updated the information as of yet. And I will keep you guys posted on anything that I find out, including when the Bureau of Prisons updates their database, or if there is additional information and by chance he did not actually turn himself in. There is an opening brief, it looks like, that can be read off of this particular website. There is a great deal of information off of this on the Court of Appeals information, rather, on this particular website that you can take a look at. So if you want to look at that, please feel free to follow the link in the description. And again, I hope you guys found this valuable, and it gives you an update on what's actually happening. I've had a lot of people that have actually asked questions with regards to, I've been searching his register number, what the heck, why isn't he in prison yet? He was supposed to turn himself in back in October or back in December. Yes, there have been many delays. Just because there are delays when an attorney files an appeal and then a motion requesting that an appeal, that the person is able to remain out on bail that they're already on until the actual appeal has been heard, it doesn't necessarily mean that the person's not going to have to serve jail time or that the appeal is going to go through for some reason. In this case, the appeal, of course, the Court of Appeals denied him continuing to stay out on bail or bond, and therefore he must surrender himself to the Bureau of Prisons. This is a long, drawn-out process that has gone on with Winston. He's claimed all kinds of things, including insanity or the concept that he may not be capable of being able to stand trial due to mental issues, due to physical issues, and he's really, really drawn this out for a very, very long time. He apparently has a fairly decent attorney who has managed to assist him in that endeavor. But I believe, as I stated last week, Winston's time has run out. He was told by the district court that he had to turn himself in should his scenario with the Court of Appeals, should they deny his attorney's motion to allow him to remain out until the Court of Appeals made a final decision. With that being denied as of the first Monday was when he had to turn himself in by, which would be yesterday. So, again, I hope everybody has a great day and has a chance to take a look at this. It's very interesting information. If you have any questions or comments, you're welcome to leave them in the comment section, or you can email me at virgotriad@protonmail.com. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.